Realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
Hey, can't seem to get the Kikoff installment. Do you know if it's open still? So Kikoff installment accounts, I don't think they're doing that anymore. And let me go to the website. So Kikoff installments, they're not doing that anymore. Let me pull up the website for you guys so you can see what they have going on with Kikoff. So at first, Kikoff, they had the installment accounts where they'll loan you $12, right? They'll loan you $12, and every month you just have to go into their website and click pay. Once you click pay, then they'll go ahead and report to the credit bureau that you're paying on this account every month on time, and that's boosting the credit score up. Now, they no longer have that account because they have a new account. So let me show you the new account that they have just in case you guys don't know about it. Because that old $12 account, the installment account, they don't have that anymore. I'll tell you guys next on what you should do so that you can get an installment account for cheap. So with the Kikoff account right now, you have no fees, no interest, and it's no catch to it all. So all you have to do is click right here on Get Started. And then you just have to fill out your information. So go ahead and put your email address in twice and then create a password. Now with this account, you guys, I'm going to log in so you guys can see. I went over yesterday just in case you guys need to see what's going on. Kikoff is an account that I really suggest that everybody sign up for. If you do not have 4 credit cards and you don't have 4 credit cards because your credit is so bad that you can't get a regular credit card, you have to get a secure credit card. So if you're thinking about getting a secure credit card, do this one instead. So with the Kikoff account, they'll give you a $500 card. So let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen, and then I'll log into the Kikoff so you guys can see what's going on. So let me log into my Kikoff. Or you know what? I'm going to log into someone else's Kikoff because they actually have both accounts up. Let me see. Or you know what? I'll just go into mine. It doesn't matter. And then I'll keep talking because I can't talk and type at the same time, y'all. I would be all over the place. Okay, perfect. So here we are here. So let me share my screen with my Kikoff account. And that way you can see like the old accounts that you guys may have missed out on, but it's okay. I'm going to tell you guys what you can do next. Now, this is my Kikoff account here, and I'm not remembering to pop up that screen. This is my Kikoff account here. So this is the old account that they have right here. You see my wallet, $12 in it right now, and my balance is $4. Every month you have this account. All you have to do is go ahead and click right here and click pay. So every month you just have to go ahead and click pay, and they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, I told you guys when I signed up for this basic installment account, my credit score went up 37 points in 2 weeks. So I definitely suggested that you guys signed up for this Kikoff account. Granted, my credit score, I can't really say this is my credit score. My utilization was high, meaning that my credit score was kind of lower because I had high utilization. I spent too much on my credit cards, but I knew the next month I was going to pay them back. I just needed to use. I had a huge purchase in my credit cards. I just used too much of my credit. But my credit score still went up 37 points in 2 weeks. Now, this is the old installment account. All you have to do is go ahead and click pay. They no longer have that account anymore. This is the new account that they have right here. So they gave me a $500 limit. All I have to do is go ahead and purchase something. And last time I clicked on make another purchase, I couldn't do it. But they have a store, and I have a video showing you guys all of this so you can see like what I can't show you right now. But they have a store with ebooks on there, $10 all the way up to $20, nothing more than $20. And they want you to buy one of those so that they can put it on this credit card, right? It's just a credit account. It's a $500. It's going to show up as a $500 credit card. So I bought something for $20, and then they opened this $500 account for me. Now, if you were to sign up for this account, say if you sign up for this account, all you have to do is that $20. I have purchased something for $20. Let me see. Yeah, let's go into here. I purchased something for $20. Well, actually, I purchased something for $10. All I had to do is just pay $2 per month until it was paid off. So 5 months I would have had it paid off. And if you would have had your if I had the regular account, you would have been able to see my payment schedule. My first payment wasn't due until 2 months later. So my first payment wasn't gonna be due until March, and it was only $2 per month. So instead of paying like with a secure credit card, you would have to put that $500 down. You don't have to do that with Kikoff. All you have to do is just sign up, and then in 2 months they'll start billing you at $2 per month. The thing is, they're gonna have it tied to your debit card, so make sure you don't change your debit card. Without letting them know, because they're going to pull it out every month. And if for some reason they can't get that $2, they're going to remark it as late. So make sure you guys are paying that on time. But that's all I want to show you guys when it came down to this $500 account, is that you just sign up, find something that you want to buy, $10 to $20. Just find one thing that you want to buy. There, go ahead and put that as your account balance. My current balance is $0. I don't want to have a balance on any of my credit cards right now. So if you want to pay it off right away, then you can go right here to want to pay it in full. You can go ahead and click on here, and they're saying, hey, we can confirm the payment, but I don't have a balance, and they still have my debit card on file. But that's the Kikoff account, you guys. Let me see, make another purchase. Oh, look, there we go. I can. Okay, last time I tried, they wouldn't let me make a purchase. So when you sign up, these are the same things that you're going to see. So you guys can see it's a $10. This is 5 months of payment history. But $10 for this, $12 for this. All you have to do is buy one of these things right here. And then every month just pay that $2 back, starting in 2 months though. So that's really good. So I suggest you guys sign up for this. And the only reason why I said that it was going to take, it took 2 weeks for my credit score to go up to 37 points is because from the day I signed up, it took two weeks for them to add it to the credit reports, which is, that's big, you guys. That's huge. Sometimes you have to wait a whole month for them to add it to your credit reports. So yeah, you guys, just find something you want to purchase, and then they'll go ahead and finance it, put it on your new credit card. And they have so many different things here. So budgeting exercises, that's really good. They have the keto, life coaches, bows. But the thing is, I didn't care what I got. I wasn't even gonna read the ebook, to be honest. I just wanted to just sign up so that I can see if this account can post on my credit report, so I can tell you guys about it. Now, I know for sure that they're not going to report to TransUnion. They're only going to report to Equifax and Experian. So keep that in mind. And the same thing with that the regular $12 Kikoff account. TransUnion, you guys, a lot of companies are having problems with getting that account getting accounts to report to TransUnion. I think it's just something with TransUnion and their rules for reporting, but this is still a great account that you guys can get. And like I said, if you're thinking about getting a secure credit card because your credit, is not the best, then I suggest you guys definitely sign up for it. And they even have some with Bitcoin prophecy secrets. Are you guys into any type of cryptocurrency? If you guys are into cryptocurrency, I'm going to start teaching you some things about cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is like the new thing. And I don't want to go too in depth with it right now and tell you guys like, oh, this is this, this is that. I just want to let you know that I'm investing in cryptocurrency, and it's the new thing. Like seriously, it's going to be the new thing, especially knowing that we're going into a cashless society. And what you can see, our government right now is just printing money like nobody business. They're just printing, not thinking about, too much of our future, if you ask me, because everybody's overpaying for houses right now. We have crazy unemployment. We have so much going on, and we're not even really feeling it as a country, especially knowing that they're not even doing evictions, or they're not even doing like foreclosures like that. Wait till all the government assistance and all the stimulus, wait till that's over. We're going to feel it. It's going to be like the Great Depression, seriously, or very similar to it. Because think about it. When the government stops handing out money, they're not going to have unemployment anymore. What is everybody going to do? So many people lost their jobs. So many companies are going out of business right now, you guys. I want you guys to think of some type of like side hustle or anything you can do so that you can start bringing in extra income. And that's just serious. Like, that's just being serious. So yeah, that's my little spill on the Kikoff account too, you guys. So let me go ahead and take that off.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these 2 videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership, where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.